Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is a gorgeous autumn set using leaf foil and individual leaves. It's got a real pop of colour to it, and I'm also using a gorgeous blue chrome, which just gives it a different look. So if you like and subscribe, that would be amazing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. This is Brown Sugar, which is a new colour from HD Pro. It was launched on the 1st of September and it's one of my favourites out of the collection. The collection is Sugar and Spice, and this one is a nude that just, you can put it with any colour and it looks beautiful, so it was perfect for this set. So then I'm going to come in with the Luxial Casper, which is a white gel polish. If this was on a client, I would either do a white acrylic, or I would do my base acrylic and then do this over the top. And that's going to set up in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm also going to do another coat. And then also what happens here is you'll see that I go to do the blue over the white and it's not quite right, so I amend it and go with black instead. So I'm going back to my nude acrylic and I'm using Builder gel, which is clear builder in a bottle, and I'm just doing a layer of that. Do my second coat of the Luxio Casper. Sorry, it threw me doing the voiceover then, what I was flicking backwards and forwards. So now I'm going to pick up the blue denim chrome powder on a makeup applicator brush, and I'm just flicking it onto that builder in a bottle that was uncured. And it's just giving like a splattered effect. Once that's done, I'm going to set it up in the lamp for 60 seconds, which is the recommended curing time. And then with one of these I'm going to do exactly the same technique, and with the other I'm going to do a full chrome nail. So I'm placing my no wipe top coat onto the nail, which is Shine It from HD Pro, and that goes in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then back in with Builder in a bottle on the other one, and I'm going to leave it uncured and do the splattered effect with the chrome again. And then once you've done the splattered effect with the chrome, you set it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is the bit where I decide actually this is not the right colour, it's not going to look right, I wanted a deeper effect. So actually I brush that off and I am going to go over it with Luxio Black, I think it's called Jet, gel polish, and I'm just going to redo the process but with a black gel polish underneath, and that will give me the look that I'm wanting. I could have done a blue gel polish as well, that would have worked as well. Yeah, so I just changed my mind there. I seem to have flitted backwards and forwards on this set, but this is how I would do it on a client, kind of doing one nail and then another. So sorry if it's not making much sense. So here I am with the builder in a bottle on the white nail, and I'm flicking that chrome powder across it, and then I'll set that up in the lamp. So that's 2 layers of Luxio white gel polish set up, a layer of clear builder in a bottle, and then flick that chrome and then set it in the lamp. So this is going to be my full chrome nail, and this is now going on with a no wipe top coat, which is Shine It from HD Pro. And once that's set, I'm rubbing it in the denim chrome from HD, and you can see there that gets me a much deeper colour, which is what I'm looking for in this set. So once that's rubbed on, I'm just going to dust it off, and then I'm going to apply my builder in a bottle again. And this is so that I can place my loose leaves into this while it's uncured. Once the leaves are all placed, then I'm going to cure it in the lamp, and they will hold the leaves in place. These are such beautiful leaves. I love the colours in them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Really, really stunning. These are called Autumn Tumble, and they're from Angel Glitter Mats. So I'm just using a little silicone tool here and placing them into that wet builder in a bottle. So that's going in the lamp now to set, and those other ones are going to come out, and we're going to top coat these now with Shine It from HD Pro. I was just testing there whether that chrome would move, and it did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to float the top coat, so you don't want to press too hard, otherwise you're going to move that chrome around. So I'm just floating that top coat over. This is a no wipe top coat, and I'm doing that on each of these nails and setting them in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then these nails are going to have the EVOL foil glue applied, and again that is applied and then set in the lamp for 60 seconds. And you can just see me here slightly off camera, but I'm cutting out some of the leaves that I want because I don't want the full coverage of this foil on two of them. I just want the individual leaves. So I'm just cutting around those, and then I'll be able to place them where I want them on the nail. So you can see me just placing those leaves in position and then giving them a little rub. Not too much, you don't want to do it too hard, just a light press and then pull them off. And that's all good. And on this nail I'm just going to place a few individual leaves. So all I've done is placed a small blob of builder in a bottle, the clear, and then place the leaf on top of it, and then that goes in the lamp to cure and hold those into position. And then the ones that have got the foil on, I am going, if this was on a client again, I would protect the foil by using a clear builder in a bottle layer, just thin layer, and then I would cap in clear acrylic. That's just so that the monomer doesn't disperse any of the images. I have had that happen to me in the past, and it's devastating when you come to the end of a design and the monomer, yeah, does that. So now I just always just do a little protection layer. Yeah, and on these I'm only going to cap the ones that have got the individual leaves on, because they're just tips. I don't need to cap in clear acrylic on the tips. So here I'm just top coating those after, as you would at the end of a service. And then the two that have got the individual leaves on, I am capping in clear acrylic. So I'm just, this is Crystal Clear from HD Pro, and this is my Salon Pro brush. So just cap those, creating your structure if it was on a client, and then file and buff into shape. So over this blue chrome nail, I'm now going to EVOL foil glue it, and I'm going to go over full application with the foil. So I'm not going to cut the pieces out this time. I'm actually just going to do a full layer of it, and then I'm just going to top coat that one that's finished. So once that blue nail comes out of the lamp, it'll be ready to rub the full foil on there. I will top coat that nail and the set will be complete. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm sorry it was a bit higgledy-piggledy in places. Yeah, it's annoying. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this set. I love the colours in it. That foil there, look, is stunning. Really, really beautiful. Yeah, a bit different on an autumn set, but I love it. Take care, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. That would be amazing. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.